do all these things, you're fucked. Hey, it's Ryan from the Carb Situation. Remember, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a nutritionist, I'm not a trainer. I'm just a human guinea pig who likes to read a lot and willing to experiment. If you go on the journey with me, maybe you'll learn what I learned. Oh yeah, and I curse a lot. Let's do this. All right, the next strategy is gamifying and measuring. What gets measured gets managed. If you are keeping track of what you're putting in your body, then you're much more likely to make wise decisions. If every time you open up that app and you have to check the carb count on Carb Manager and it says F, avoid this food at all costs, just that simple act will change your behaviors at least a little bit. So if you measure it, it's going to give your brain some kind of incentive to do better things. Because even if you're the only one reading it, you're going to want to have smart decisions down in your app or on paper. And if you really want to go balls to the wall, share it with people and be honest, because if you lie, then you're only screwing yourself. I mean, there's no test to pass here. So I would say check out Carb Manager or at least MyFitnessPal. If you're old school, write it down. And that's already going to be a great step for making smarter decisions. The next part that's kind of like this is called gamifying. There's a reason why the number of followers is displayed on Instagram accounts. It's like a game, okay? There's a reason why there are keeping track of the number of likes on your Facebook post. There's a reason why YouTube subscribers or views is all open there. It's all like a game and you're trying to get a higher score. You can gamify your diet in the same way. Just treat it like a game, like it's fun. My goal is to stay under 24 grams of carbs every day. While I'm tracking my food, I'm always looking at that carb count, trying to see whether I can do it. Now, if I get towards the end of the day and I'm at 21 grams of carbs and I look something up that I feel like I want to eat and it's 5 grams of carbs, a lot of times I'll go, well, I don't need that bad. I want to hit my fucking number. So I'll skip it. So you turn it into like a game. And if you want to, you can turn it into a game with a partner, whether it be your spouse, your friend, your sibling, whatever. Make your own rules and have fun with it and see about winning the game. You would be surprised at how competition brings out the best in so many people. So remember, measure your food intake and make it a game. So if you have any questions or comments, please give them to me below. Check the link below and you can fill out my survey that will take you maximum of 30 seconds to let me know how I can help you better with the carb situation. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Make sure and check out my website for all kinds of free, easy resources to help you on your journey. That's it for this one. Thanks for watching and I'll talk to you next time. Cheers.